Here's our question today, which is worth 15 marks. In this question, we have to draw the following functions in the given domain. To do this, we can make use of the table function on our calculator. To access this function, you press mode, then go to table, and then type in your function. In this case, our first function is x minus 1. And press equals. Since our domain is x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and x is less than or equal to 2, we're going to start at minus 2 and end at 2 in steps of 1. When we do this, our calculator generates a table of x and y values. In other words, it gives us a list of points which we can plot on our graph, and when we join these points together, we get our function. Now that we've drawn in our points, we can connect the dots to get our function. That's all we have to do for the function y equals x minus 1, which is a linear function. Moving on to the second function, this time we're given a quadratic function, y equals 2 minus x squared. To draw the graph of this function, we do the same thing we did with the first function. Remember this time to also start at minus 2 and end at 2. Here's all the points we're given by our calculator. Now what we have to do is join them together. When drawing this function, make sure you connect all the dots with a smooth, curved line, as you can lose marks if your graph isn't drawn correctly. Moving on to the last function, this time we're given an exponential function, y equals 2 to the power of x. Again, we can use the table mode in our calculator to plot the graph of this function. Here's all the points we get from our table. And this is what your graph for the function should look like. If you draw these three functions correctly, you get the full 15 marks for the question. If you guys were stuck on this question, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching this solution video, and I'll see you guys again.